Goal of this activity is to loosen up the ankle and the hips. Here's what you're gonna do. Forearm on the ground, a foam roller or a med ball on top of the pelvis. The bottom leg is not parallel to the forearm, but just below that. Top foot, this is gonna be the foot you're gonna be mobilizing. It's gonna be right in front of the ankle. You wanna roll everything forward so that way your weight is on the bottom outside knee, the foam roller or the med ball, base of the wrist. This arm is going to be out in front of you, and you're going to look at it with your hand. Silently breathe in through the nose. Exhale, get a little bit of downward pressure through the base of the wrist without unweighting on the med ball. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to inhale. You want to find your outside heel on this foot. On the exhale, just a little bit on the inside heel. You don't want a lot of knee movement with this. It's really subtle through the ankle. Exhale. Inhale, outside heel. Exhale, inside heel. If it's tough being up here, you can go with progressively less of a hip flexion angle. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.